Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the unable to connect to Nvidia error. Just follow these steps so you can get Nvidia GeForce Experience working again. First, start with the basics. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak connection can cause Nvidia services to fail. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type services.msc. Hit enter and scroll down until you find Nvidia Network Service Container or Nvidia Display Container LS. Once you find it, right-click and select Restart. You can also click Refresh. This reloads the background services responsible for connectivity. After that, look for Nvidia Local System Container. Right-click it as well and select Restart or Refresh. Once your services are refreshed, you can clear Nvidia's cache and temporary files to remove corrupted data. Now, open the control panel. Go to the search bar, type Control Panel and open it. Click Programs and Features. Scroll down and look for Nvidia GeForce Experience. Right-click it and select Uninstall/Change to remove the current installation. Next, open your browser and search for Nvidia GeForce Experience. Click Download Now and reinstall the application. This usually fixes the connection problem. If the app still won't connect, go to the search bar and type nvidia.com/drivers. Hit enter, download the drivers manually, and install them yourself. This completely bypasses the GeForce Experience connection issue, and that's it. Once you follow these steps, you should be able to fix the unable to connect to Nvidia error and get everything working smoothly again.